A new report out highlights what some experts call a youth mental health care crisis, and Alabama is in the center of it.
The report ranks Alabama worst in the nation for school-based mental health access. WSFA 12 News reporter Nairemi shares her conversation with one of the researchers behind the findings.
Across Alabama are reporting higher levels of anxiety, depression, and emotional distress. But for many, there's no one at school to help. A new report from Voca Vision reveals Alabama has the most severe youth mental health care shortage in the nation.
There are simply just not enough mental health providers in schools for kids and teens. And so we released this report to highlight where those gaps exist so that families, schools, policymakers can all come together and start closing some of the gaps.
What factors do you think contribute to that gap?
Well, first, Alabama just doesn't have enough school-based mental health providers, and those who are working often face heavy caseloads, which leads to burnout.
Catherine Steele is a school psychologist and the clinical director of Voca Vision. She says the report combines data from multiple federal agencies, ranking each state by its access to school-based therapists, counselors, and social workers. Alabama came in last.
I think it's really a call for action, or a call to action for schools and parents. Schools need to make mental health a priority, and parents need to advocate for funding and support for their students.
Researchers say the shortage is even worse in rural areas, where 4 out of every 10 students attend schools that don't have on-site mental health support. What do you think those findings mean for students on a day-to-day?
Yeah, I think it means that kids are very aware of what's going on around them. They have multiple sources of media and information coming in, and they really need a safe person to speak to about it. And right now, a lot of kids are in a position where they don't have that person at school.
That was Nairemi reporting. Experts say teletherapy could be one way to bridge the gap here in Alabama. We link the full report under Nai's story on the 12 News app and WSFA.com.
Well, the city of Montgomery